Welcome to lecture number 2 of physics of class 9. I'm your instructor Nehal Smith. Today's lecture outline is scientific methods we're going to discuss, and within it they will be discussing observation, hypothesis, theory, experiment, and law. Then we'll be discussing types of errors, basic categories, and then we'll move on to accuracy and errors. And we'll do some calculation and examples on this topic. So first, let's start with the scientific methods. In this topic, we're going to give a special account of theory of light given by West scientists and then by East scientists, that is Witten-Heffron and Newton's corpus theory. Okay, discussing the scientific method, and the first step in it is actually the observation. Any scientific phenomena or physical phenomena is started by observation. That is, first you observe any physical phenomena, you ponder upon it, you systematically and very carefully take different examples from surroundings, observe it, and think that why, what, and how things are going on and things are possible. So in observation, you put all your effort in taking or in gathering as much as possible information you can, so that this information and this data that you are collecting during observation will be used to make the postulate, will be used to make a hypothesis, or will be used to deduce, deduce, that is, to infer or to take out main points of the raw data that you have collected from observation. So observation is actually the first and basic step to collect raw data, to collect all possible information of any physical phenomena under investigation or under consideration. So a scientist always is very skeptic about observation. They criticize on any natural phenomena by looking at different aspects of the phenomena or in process, and then after getting all the information, after getting all the data sets, say for example, the very common example in these days is COVID-19. This pandemic has actually raised different scientific methods and scientific approaches in order to solve this query, that how and why and where this virus has originated and how it is actually passed on to humans, what were its carriers of this virus, how does this virus spread. And we are still under this research process. We are taking and gathering data of different countries, of different societies, of West, of East, and we are actually studying the data sets. We are actually tracking the patients or the persons who have contracted this virus, and we are actually studying their behavior, their psychology, that how this virus has actually affected their body inside and how it has affected their body outside, that is psychologically how they have adapted to it, or what changes they have occurred in the patients who have contracted this virus. So we are in the observation process, we take as much as data possible.